All right, everyone. So I'm just doing a quick recap, guys. We had a really good day on. We had a really good day on OCGN. I took a 1 minute opening range breakup at 9, sold all the way up to 11, and then it came back up, and I went again at 10. So that was a 1 minute opening range breakup. I got a little bit early, but I added more than 1 minute opening range breakup. So from 950 all the way up to 11, came down. I got out the last piece at the break-even point, and then for the break of half the day again, up 10, 1050 all the way up to, I got out at 12, but it went up all the way up to 14, and now it got halted. So we had a really amazing day. I had my best day ever on OCGN, and now it's halted. This is the second halt that it got, and I think it's going to come up, probably opens up above 14 and just keeps going up. This is I've heard that they have a vaccine for India, so that was just unbelievable. Really amazing trading on that. So yeah, it's just very strong. Be careful of those shorted guys, even if it's really, see now it's coming out of halt, and it's still, I think, so much strength. See, everything is just being bought back up, so we gotta be careful. This is a second halt, and it's getting a little bit extended, so you gotta be really careful on that. But it was just, it had an amazing run. It still seems strong because most of the pullbacks are being bought back up. So I'm not in there. I'm just I just closed my position, so I have only some TQQ, but you might actually get halted on the way down now. So you got to be really careful. That was the second to halt, but it was just unbelievable, the move that had up. Halted on the down, yeah. So it got halted on the down. Now that it halts on the down, you got to be really careful on that. Then the stocks are getting halted on the way down. It's just getting more tricky. Anyways, so that's it. I mean, and there's a couple of announcements that I want to have. That is today webinar for new members. We have some new members that signing up the last week or today. So on Monday, which is today, always at 8 p.m. Eastern Time and 9 p.m. Eastern Time, we have two webinars that is open to everyone, including the trial members. It's an onboarding session with Mike, Carlos, and Kyle. Mike and Carlos walk you through the community, and Kyle is talking about advanced technology. So if there is any question that you want to have, so if you go to the webinar page, guys, yeah, you know, Kyle, there is a forum that you can ask questions that Kyle is going to answer that. He's actually a server engineer, so he knows this really stuff, and Carlos is going to talk about how to use our community. Tuesday, we have Andy Kirshner from Kirshner Group Trading Group. It's their prop firm. They're actually one of the longest standing prop firms, and Carlos and I are going to have a discussion with him about trading and how this kind of stuff is that. And then Peter next week is going to have, and we have credit coming for Mental Edge for Wednesday, and of course Thursdays are for mentorship by. So that's it. So that's the announcement, guys. And we also have a Discord channel. So we decided to also start a Discord channel. So there is a link that we post on the chat room for guys, and everyone is welcome to join our Discord channel. Ayman is leading the Discord channel. So if Ayman, if you want to put link on the announcement section, we're gonna be having essentially a launch. So is there any trade review? Thor, do you have any trade that maybe I can show that? So OCGN again is halted. Discord, no Isling, Discord. It's like a platform. So let's see what Thor did. Oh, look at that PLTR. Yeah. So let's see. Let's take a look at the trade of Thor and PLTR. Yeah. So that's. Let me actually stop that camera so you can actually see. Yeah, so that's a really nice one. Thor took a trade up, came down at the break even, really nice. And then for the 5-minute opening range breakup, he went long all the way up to, I think, 37 or something. Yeah, I was thinking of taking it somewhere around here for the breakout, but I was just in OCGN. I had a really good day, so I really decided not to do that. So that really great trading. PLTR was really nice for a 5-minute opening range breakup, and it dropped. So yeah, that's anything else. Is there any trade that any members want to share with the community? Amen. What did you do? MU, yeah, MU long, very nice. Yeah, MU, Ayman did the MU trading, really nice. Oops. That's a trade on MU by Ayman long, added more for the breakout, and then this add you got to stop that. So very nice, really nice. No, we had so many great trading today. I'm Ryan PDT, one of my earliest students at BB. That's a meme stock, as you see, popped up, sold all the way up for the breakout. I think Brian traded BB as well. Reach, 3 years member, SQ, really nice 1 minute opening range breakup. Very nice trading, guys. This community is about good trading. It's not about really the money. PLTR, again, really very nice. Excellent, guys. So OCGN, yeah, this one is now on the way down. It might actually open lower. Halts on the way down are not great. Halts on the way up are good. So I'm only on TQQ for long, and on the other account I also have some TQQ. I closed some of my position on TQQ over there. So overall, pretty good day for me. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, and see you tonight in the webinar, new members. Cheers, guys.